the title of the video might suggest, I'm going to take you through a full day of eating, what I do now that I'm back into normality in Limerick, at least for the next 2 weeks, and my current split inside in the gym. So first meal of the day is going to be a 3-egg omelette. I kind of butchered it when I was trying to flip it in the pan, coupled with a few spuds from last night's dinner and a protein shake. I don't actually track calories, or I don't track how many carbs and how many fats I'm eating. I just keep tabs on how much, in and around roughly, how much protein I'm eating in a day and overall volumes of food. See, I know from doing it so long how much food I need to be eating to be in a calorie deficit, how much food I need to be eating to be at calorie maintenance, and how much food I need to be eating to be in a calorie surplus. But if you're new to the game, you really do need to be tracking your calories on MyFitnessPal, because you won't know how much food is enough food to be eating to be in a deficit, at maintenance, or in a calorie surplus. At the minute I'm eating at maintenance calorie levels, which means that I'm eating enough food to maintain my own body weight, and I'm going to return to the split I was doing before I left for San Diego, so it allowed me to build quite a bit of muscle mass. The reason I'm doing this is because, technically speaking, when you want to build muscle and lose fat at the same time, you have to eat in and around maintenance calorie levels. Now, for the average person starting out in the gym, or if you're not really into this, it's not recommended to try it, because you'll end up, what the chances are, you'll end up not progressing. You won't build muscle, nor will you lose fat, or else if you do, it'll be at a very minuscule level and it just won't be worth the time and effort you're putting into it. Off to hit legs in the gym now. Going to be a quick workout because my sister needs to get back to Dublin. Probably going to be about an hour, but I'll try and get as much of my leg workout into this session as possible.
I was tired of praying to a God that wouldn't save me. Constantly reminding me of things from my past I never thought would faze me, but my strength inside never failed to amaze me. God that wouldn't save me. God that wouldn't save me. God that wouldn't save me.
Okay, so my current split, it's a modification of the classic legs push-pull split. So on the first day I will train legs and I'll do a little bit of abs at the end. The next day I will do chest and back, and then the last day I will do shoulders and arms. I will either rest the day after, depending on how I'm feeling, how sore I am, or else I'll go straight in, do legs again, chest and back the following day, and then the following day again I will do shoulders and arms, and then on the 7th day I will rest. God always rests on the 7th day, so Sean Fitness will too. This is a split that I followed for about 8 months leading up until I went away to San Diego, and to be honest, I got the best results I've ever gotten off a split. But obviously it doesn't suit everyone. If you only want to go to the gym 3 days a week, then you should probably do 3 full body sessions a week with a combination of upper body exercises and lower body exercises. With regards each body part, I always do 2 or 3, mostly 3 exercises per body part, and I mix up the rep ranges. So in one exercise I'll do 0 to 5 reps, the next exercise I will do maybe 8 to 10 reps, and then in the last exercise I'll do 12 or 12 to 14 reps. In each set, no matter the body part, I always train to muscle failure, and I cannot advocate it enough. If muscle growth or hypertrophy is your goal, train to muscle failure, the point where you cannot physically do another rep in that set, no matter how hard you tried. But obviously, if you're doing a compound lift like a bench or a squat and you don't have a spotter, stop the rep before the one that you wouldn't be able to perform, because like, you might be jacked, but you'll also be dead. It's getting hot in here, or is it just me? What's happening, people? I'm Joe Delaney and I'm just a vibey, sick cunt, man. Yes, the people. Meal number 2 is going to be a big dinner portion of noodles and mince with another protein shake. Realizing when you're actually legitimately hungry as opposed to just being bored is going to really help you on your weight loss or weight maintenance journey. A lot of people are in the habit of having a few biscuits or potatoes whenever they sit down in front of the TV, or they mightn't be at much for the day, so then they just go to the larder and pull out the biscuit tin just to occupy themselves for a few minutes. But the next time you're reaching for a biscuit tin or you're reaching for the chocolate press, just take a second and stand back from it all and say, am I actually hungry or am I just bored? And my next meal of the evening is going to be another serving of the dinner and another protein shake. I mean, what can I say? My mother's cooking is way too good, and especially when I've been eating fried turds all summer. So I'm gonna snack right now on this Glennis high protein yogurt. And yeah, to be honest, what sucks about doing these full day of eating videos is that, you know, I was gonna go to the press and pull out the jar of Nutella and start eating that with the spoon, but I was like, come on, Sean, they can't see you like this. So instead I went to the fridge, pulled out this bland lump of tripe, and I'm gonna eat it because I have to. Got about halfway through the carton until my taste buds actually started going numb. What? You asked for a full day of eating. Sean doesn't fucking eat healthy. What? It's a solid 600 calories down the drain. Oh, it was going so well. It's going so well. Diet starts tomorrow. We want to start a diet. When? Monday. Today is Monday. Next Monday. For the sake of my own sanity, I'm going to cut the video there. If you liked it or enjoyed the video, how about you like and subscribe, you ungrateful pieces of You know, if you want to share to your friends, I'd probably shift you, provided you're relatively moderately good looking and you're not so much of a psycho. But yeah, like, subscribe to the channel. I'm watching you. Subscribe, press that button, and share it with your friends. And until then, until the next one, bye.